Good evening, friends. Nalakshi Swami here. So many times we miss the analysis. I didn't miss it, but what happened? I anticipated and expected the Nifty to correct to 18,009. There was a fair value gap over here. This is fair value FVG. So I thought even the overnight market and the SGX Nifty, everything affected the psychology. And um, anticipation, we anticipated for this level and to take support over this. But amazingly, what happened in the morning is Nifty opened flat, opened here around this area. The first opening was 18,096. 18,096. 96. That was the flat opening when compared to the previous day opening. And it dipped down and again here it took the liquidity. That is the amazing part. So it took the liquidity dipping down to 18,066. That is a fraction of a second, probably algo trade. But yesterday itself, even though I noticed it, the big player presence in over here by grabbing the liquidity of this candle. So I could not think because I was influenced by the overnight market gap down and everything. I thought it may gap down, but it didn't gap down. So see how you can trade is by seeing the first candle itself. So I usually mark the range of the candle. Range of the first 15 minutes candle like this. So first 15 minutes of the candle and second 15 minutes, third 15 minutes, this was the low formed on the hourly. So then there was a break above this level, 18,122, that confirming the bullish trend on the market. So if I extend this range, 1 minute. If I extended this range, so the target came to 1:2 was here. That is exactly at the 18,172. But here, amazingly, there were two equal highs. Equal highs were created here. Equal highs were created and sellers were induced and sellers stop losses were there. So I was sure that this market will extend to the next level, that is 1:3. So 1:3 and it gave more than 1:3. That is 1:4 also. This is beyond the 180R. 180R of the Nifty 180R of the Nifty on the daily chart. Let me change the time frame to daily and I'll show the ATR, that is 152 points. So if I calculate, let me go back to the 15 minutes time frame. If I calculate measure the range, that was more than 204 points, 197 points. So 152 was the daily ATR. It crossed the daily ATR and it closed at. This was a huge expansion. So if you go back to the weekly, this weekly candle is a huge expansion candle. Weekly range is, this is the range, that is 205. Total weekly range when if you go to the weekly, 429 points is the weekly range. So it can, the Nifty can extend its move tomorrow also. Tomorrow also to the level here. It has taken the liquidity. These are the liquidity grab area. Probably it may go even to this level around 18,367, and then you may see some sort of pullback, and this is a very bullish move in the Nifty. So it has crossed this range. Actually, Nifty stayed in the range. Let me remove all the things, remove all the drawings so that you can see the structure very properly. This was the range created before. This was the fall. This was the fall, and Nifty went through a range. This was the range. Okay. So range high is 18,255, and Nifty made a high of 18,267 and closed exactly at the range. Exactly at the range. This is a V-shaped recovery, and there is a very high chance of extension of this range, to the next level. So this is the, if Nifty starts moving above this level, it can go up to the 18,735. The gates are open to 18,735. If there is a bullish move, even within May itself, it can cross 18,833, or it may halt. So where are the next level to halt is, the next level is 18,494 is the level to look for. So since they have grabbed the liquidity over here, this will continue. The Nifty move will continue. So now it is buy and dips. Do not go short in this market. So daily, let me change it to daily. So it is at this level. Next level is 18,470. So don't go short in the Nifty. So try to be long in this. So it's a very bullish move since the beginning, since the market came to 16,850. I mean, 16,000, 1 minute. 16,828. Since then, I was continuously telling market will go up. If you watch my previous videos also, you will be able to see. Today, see, we anticipate something and the market gives something. When it gives something, you should know how to trade. The first candle itself is the deciding candle. So it decided actually the trend is open because this was above the previous day high. See, this was the previous day high. So it started moving up. And when I marked the range of the 15 minutes candle, the Nifty never came back to the low, 18,066. Never came back to the low. And also open was retail. 18,097 was the open. It never touched in an intraday 18,097. That was a bullish signal and a huge expansion you have seen in the Nifty. So this is the breakout level. So probably some sort of retesting of this level can push market higher. So it gives an opportunity if it comes down to 16,000, 18,186 to 18,205 is the next level to watch for intraday dip. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Nalinakshi Swami here. And 17,900 call, it appreciated more than 300 rupees. That was amazing. It started at 194 and dipped down to 180 or something. And then it moved like anything. It moved like a rocket. So there was no chance. Actually, all the call writers have been trapped. They were forced to cover their shorts, and then it gave more strength to the Nifty, and it became more powerful, and all it gained momentum, and it closed around the highest. So if you go to the daily thing, it is a huge bullish candle. So huge expansion in the Nifty. So you have not seen this type of expansion. I think here, one candle, you can see this type of expansion after the gap up. So you are getting 100 and 210 points. No, wide candle 178, but today's candle is very wide, very beautiful expiry. So this is the expansion to 217 points. After the expansion, so you wait for the intraday level 18,181 to take the further move. So 18,181 will act as a immediate support, and you have to trade long in the Nifty to the target of 18,482. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.